Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. Today let's continue leetcode challenge. And today's challenge is called K closest points to origin. We have a list of points on their plan. Find the K closest point to the origin 0 by 0. So basically this is you're going to receive a list array, and the case tell you find how many, and you need a return. For first example, return the smallest. The second example, return the top two. Basically, you actually just they are going to use two ways to solve. The first way we could use array.sort. So when you push the in and the distance, you see they just calculate this the square of this one. You find the smallest one. Since this one is smaller than this one, so we return this one. Just let's write the code, it will make sense. This actually is quite a simple question. So we have an array. So we're going to sort. Before to sort, we sort these points. But how to sort, we use this comparator.compare. And you just write a lambda function. comparator, yes. And just write this square of this one. Actually, you don't need to get the square, and just say P0. So once you get the element coming in, compare each one plus P1 times P1. Okay. So this is just, so if I get a number coming in, so for each point for this one, so actually just 3, the P0 is 3 times 3, 3 times 3 plus, and the second element also is 3, you see, so 3 times 3. So actually just this is the comparison, this is the sorting. You passed in how to sort each point when you to sort this array. Once you sort it, they just return, because you sort by, and this is ascending, yeah. Then you just copy from the 0, index 0 to up to k lots, just return. This is the k, how many you're going to. Once you sort it, then just return them. Because when you push this, you sort this array, they are in the order. So the top k, it is what you wanted. Just test the code. Yeah, it is successful. So let's submit and see if meet all of the scenario. And it is accepted. And we also could use a priority queue. So this is another way. So it is more common. So you don't need to use array. So you take we're going to have a priority queue. We also say but we just use a priority queue to sort instead of use array to sort. It looks like most the PQ priority queue is more. And in here you tell them when you push that stuff in, you how to do sort. So you receive 2 elements, and you just say sort by A0 and minus B0. So basically you're going to sort these two and also from smaller to the bigger one, so it is small in the top. And how you sort it, so we just push the element into sorted. Points.names, yeah. We loop all over, push everybody into the queue, then we just pull out the element, how many icons you need up to the k. And so we're going to push the in, so the pq.add the int array. So each one have an int array, and the value it is use this one. So actually the value also is the square of this and plus square of this as the key, and then you put this element as the value as the second element. So the first element is the copy points I and the 0 times points I 0, then plus points I 1 times points I 1. And the second, you have a two array. This is the key to sort, and the value is key value pair, so the value is these two items, points I, points I 0. Yeah. So when you sort it, it will read this key, so sort it by smaller is first, so ascending order. Once you sort it, then you simple only need pull it out into what you did, the result. Headache. You need a k element. This is what you expect. The second one, so you have an array of a pair, so always have two items. You just pull out, so you got the item. Then you push into the result, the first result. Second result, second item. So each element you have three items. This is the key, item 1, item 2, and item 3. You see, this is item 1, this is item 0, and this is item 1, this is item 2. And once you put the 1, just R++, then you're going to return the result. This is exactly the same, just more code, but it's good to know the priority queue. Take a practice with the priority queue, since leetcode just help you practice Java coding algorithm. Now it also finished and accepted. Let's submit again. See, hope this is not anything else. It also accepted. Thank you for watching. Bye.